Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special powerful video. This will make sure that your partner, whosoever he or she is, whether she is your neighbor, your teacher, your ex-partner, your husband, your wife, your crush, whoever he or she is, they will confess their love to you only. You need not to go anywhere. They has to come to you. They has to apologize you. They has to say that yes, we do love you and we want to be with you. And they are going to spend their life with you. The best part is that you don't need any ingredients. No ingredients are required. This is genuinely, truly a non-ingredient spell which you can do it. Anyone can do it. You just have to have the positive intentions. You have to have genuine love. You have to have the respect for your partner. And if you have done it honestly, then believe me, no one in this world can stop you from making your partner to come to you. The best part of this spell is that your partner will come to you. You need not to go anywhere. He or she has to confess his or her feelings to you. He or she will be loyal to you. Whatever you would say, they will eventually do it. Now, dear brothers and sisters, when you are crossing your ways, for example, your target person, he or she lives just next door to you, or she works with you, or he studies with you, or you are in the same locality, you are in the same area, while just giving a natural look, in your mind you have to read this spell. And if you have read this spell with your positive intentions, with your positive belief, believe me, your partner will be completely yours. I am going to write down this spell in front of you. First of all, there are certain conditions which I will explain you, that you can practice this spell only on Monday. Right? Only on Monday this spell can be practiced. Second thing is that you must have to wear a black color t-shirt, black color top, jeans, shoes, anything. Something has to be black on your body while doing this spell. Right? First is Monday. Second is black. Third thing is that there should not be no rain. It should be a sunny day. In order to work for this spell, there should not be no rain. Fourth thing is that this is the most important thing. While doing this, you have to have fast on that complete day. That is no eating, no vegetarian, no non-vegetarian item. However, you can have juice, you can have any liquid item with you. So no food, juice is allowed. I hope all are clear with these four conditions. That is, Monday has to be the day. You have to wear black something while doing it. It should be a sunny day, especially no rain has to be there, and you should not consume any food, juice, water is allowed. For instance, let us assume that you are doing this on Monday and she is crossing your path, and you are just giving a glimpse, or you are just looking at her. You will be reading this spell, Mum Kalima no one, your target person's name, and Santia. While you are having the glimpse or you are looking at him or her, you make sure that between these moments you read this spell which is in front of your screen right now. Mum Kalima Novan, your target person's name, Santia. The best way to do is that you remember this spell, and whenever you get an opportunity, you read it. You have to do this spell for continuously 7 Mondays. Dear brothers and sisters, some people would be there who would be getting the results before 7 Mondays only. So you cannot skip this spell in between. It has to be for continually 7 days, even if you got the result on first Monday only. 70% people would be getting the result only on first Monday. So I would request all of you that don't skip this video or don't skip this spell in between, because if you have done it like this, then the results would be short lasting, and this spell cannot be practiced twice. That is, you cannot do the same spell on the same person 2 times. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, or if you want any help regarding this spell, please feel free to ask us on the given number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.